All right, guys. I know there's a video about finding the lateral area, but I want to talk about finding the radius of a cone if you weren't given the radius. So for this example, we have the height of the cone, which is 15, and then we have the slant height, which is 17, but we don't have the radius, and you need that to find the lateral area and the area of the base of this cone. The cool thing about this is if you look, it forms a nice right triangle inside, and so we have our 15 and our 17. Because it's a right triangle, because we have two values and we're looking for our third, we can actually use Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And so in this case, I'm going to say that a will be my 15, b will be what I'm looking for, and that means that my slant height, which will be my hypotenuse or my c. Remember that your c always has to be the longest side, so it has to be that 17. So I'm going to do 15 squared plus my unknown b squared equals that 17 squared. All right, 15 squared is 225. You still have that unknown, equal to 17 squared, which is 289. All right, because we're looking for b, we're going to get the b on its own. So I'm going to subtract that 225 from both sides. 25. These cancel, and you have your b squared, and that'll be equal to 64. And then our last step is to take the square root of it. And when you square root it, you get your b to be 8. So for my cone, my radius is going to be 8. So r will equal 8. So now when you're looking for the lateral area or anything else, you can use the radius of 8.